We'll now proceed to the award session of this conference. The session will be conducted by Ms. Gauri Wagmare, Managing Director, Gauri Vandana Legal Service. Gauri has served as the chair of this independent jury board. Based on the nomination received and careful assessment carried out by the jury members, the awards have been granted to a select group of nominees. I invite Gauri on the stage to announce the award recipients and do the honor of presenting these awards to the nominees or winners. Thank you so much.
Good evening, everyone, and thank you for your presence till this time. As we approach the most anticipated segment of the Legal Tech Meet 2026, it is my privilege to chair this year's award session. Recognition is the full of innovation. However, for recognition to have true value, it must be backed by absolute integrity and independence. I want to state clearly for our audience and nominees today, the winners being honored this evening were chosen through a strictly independent process. This decision was solely the mandate of our distinguished jury members, Ms. Manjusha Murthy, founder of Jury Scan, and Mr. Prashant Dodapkar sir, retired Chief General Manager, Oil India Limited. It is important to note that no other members of the organizing committee or external influencers were involved in this decision-making process. The jury evaluated each nominees based on merit, impact, and their contribution to the evolving legal tech landscape. When we call these names today, know that they represent the gold standard of excellence. We vetted by this expert panel. Without further delay, let us begin the honor. So as both the jury members are here, I just requested to join Dr. Henjigoda sir on the stage. Sir, we would be honored to have you on stage to present the awards to our deserving awardees. So the Future IP Leader Award goes to Gaurav Lokchandani from IP Savvy. Second one, outstanding use of AI in legal services. Guess who? So it's Leo Paul Johnson's from HNX. Big claps to these guys. Yeah, Deepak sir, please come on the stage. Yeah, all three co-founding members. Thank you everyone for this wonderful innovation. So next one is the IP Thought Leader of the Year, Jignesh Parikh from Seed Limited. Congratulations, Jignesh. So next one, it is the best woman leader in IP, Pranitha Kasbag from Prasa IP. Congratulations, Pranitha. Next award is In-House Corporate Counsel of the Year. It goes to Sandhya Kherlia from Indophil Industries Limited. Okay, so I request Rajat sir to receive the award. And the last big thing, Law Firm of the Year award goes to Sanath MP for Prasa IP. Again, the Prasa IP. I would like to thank Henjigoda sir for his presence, and also I am seeing from the start that how much interest he is taking to listen each and every speaking panel discussion. Even we are get bored, but Henjigoda sir is very curious. So we need to inculcate this quality in ourselves, that we need to listen first and then response to that thing, and we need to learn each and everything in the panel discussion. Thank you, sir. I would like to thank our jury member for their precious time given for this award.
So those who did not get the award, very sorry. You did your best. You were good, but somehow you could not get. Don't get disheartened. Don't attack us. He should provide us some security.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, all our juries. Now we have come to almost a formal closures. I would request Rajat Datta to come on stage for his valedictory and vote of thanks.
Before we conclude this landmark event, I would like to take a moment to express my deepest gratitude to the team that turned the vision into reality. I first want to thank you, Mr. Rajiv Datta, the owner of WebScript. He is the architect behind our conference. His immense support in every corner of this conference hall and other conference is just, the support that came to our conference, make it happen. I also want to thank Ms. Pooja Chaudhary, who has fought alongside with me to achieve this result, balancing every challenges throughout this journey. A special mention to Shubhaditya Banerjee, Abhijit Chatterjee, and Ramit Bose for their support behind this scene. I must recognize our core leadership team, Kushan Sengupta, our head and outreach partnership, Mr. Sandipan Dasgupta, our head of marketing, Sastyadeepa Chakraborty and Saurav Barar, who provide a critical legal support needed for this summit of this scale. And finally, to the most junior member of our team, Timir Hajra, our marketing executive, whose contribution has been truly outstanding. I would like to request all of them, please come on the stage. Abhijit sir, please come. Ramit sir, please come. Abhijit sir, please come, sir. I call every one of the team of Lex Tita, please come on the stage. And take a group of pictures. Thank you. Shubhada, just 1 second. Where is Shubhada? Shubhaditya sir, please come. Muskan, where is Muskan? Muskan, please come to the stage. Thank you so much, all of you. Thank you, sir.
Hold a minute. I want to share my experience after spending times at the Legal Tech Meet, the first edition's Global IP Innovations in the Pride Hotel, which makes me very proud because Rajat is my student and he showed his courage that he organized these conferences so beautifully, and such a learned persons come here and participated in this event and make Rajat's dream successful, which is my dream. So thank you to all that you makes a dream successful of a teacher. Thank you. Thank you to all.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. I need your blessings. Thank you so much, sir. So now I close this conference for this edition and hope to meet you all of you once again in the month of August and September. We are doing the workshops in Delhi and Bengaluru. I'm sorry, Delhi and Bombay. Yes, sir. Thank you so much for coming. Now I'm conclude this session. Thank you.